Have you ever struggled to find the right word? Imagine this, you're writing, speaking, or even texting, and you want your words to pack a punch, to sound clear, smart, and confident. That's where synonyms come in. Synonyms are words that mean the same or almost the same, but can make a world of difference in how you express yourself. Think of them as your secret weapon to transform ordinary language into extraordinary communication. But why should you care about synonyms? Learning them doesn't just expand your vocabulary, it helps you write better, speak smarter, and connect with people effortlessly. Imagine replacing happy with ecstatic or sad with melancholy. You instantly sound more thoughtful and expressive. In today's video, you'll not only discover what synonyms are but learn how to use them to enhance your English skills step by step. And here's a promise, if you stay till the end, you'll walk away with powerful new words to use every day. Stay with me, because at the end of this video, I'll share an easy-to-follow tip to practice synonyms daily. This one habit can supercharge your English in just minutes a day. Don't miss it. Knowledge is power, and every little effort counts. By spending just a few minutes daily practicing synonyms, you'll start seeing real improvements in your confidence and communication. Ready to take your English to the next level? Let's dive in and explore the world of synonyms together. And remember, great communication starts with small steps, and you've just taken the first one by clicking on this video. In today's video, we are going to learn synonyms for the word happy.
Synonym, beaming. Meaning, radiating happiness or joy. Example 1, she was beaming with pride after her child received an award. Example 2, his face was beaming with excitement when he heard the news. Example 3, they were beaming when they received their marriage certificate. Example 4, her beaming smile made everyone around her happy. Syllables, beaming. Stress, beaming.
Synonym, blissful. Meaning, showing or feeling complete happiness or contentment. Example 1, they had a blissful vacation by the beach. Example 2, she felt blissful on her wedding day. Example 3, they were blissful after hearing the good news. Example 4, he had a blissful look on his face when he found his lost dog. Syllables, blissful. Stress, blissful.
Synonym, cheerful. Meaning, noticeably happy and optimistic. Example 1, her cheerful smile brightened everyone's day. Example 2, he remained cheerful despite the challenges he faced at work. Example 3, the children were cheerful during the festival. Example 4, she was cheerful after receiving good news from her doctor. Syllables, cheerful. Stress, cheerful.
Synonym, content. Meaning, feeling satisfied and at ease with one's situation. Example 1, he was content with his simple life in the countryside. Example 2, she looked content after finishing her meal and enjoying a quiet evening. Example 3, they were content after completing their long journey. Example 4, he felt content knowing his family was safe and sound. Syllables, content. Stress, content.
Synonym, delighted. Meaning, feeling great pleasure or joy. Example 1, she was delighted when she saw the surprise party thrown for her. Example 2, he was delighted to see his old friends at the reunion. Example 3, they were delighted by the beautiful sunset. Example 4, she was delighted to receive a thoughtful gift. Syllables, delighted. Stress, delighted.
Synonym, ecstatic. Meaning, feeling or expressing overwhelming happiness. Example 1, the fans were ecstatic when their team won the championship. Example 2, he was ecstatic to hear that he got the job he wanted. Example 3, she was ecstatic when her long-lost brother returned home. Example 4, they were ecstatic about the news of their promotion. Syllables, ecstatic. Stress, ecstatic.
Synonym, elated. Meaning, extremely happy and excited, often because of a significant achievement or event. Example 1, the team was elated after winning the championship. Example 2, she felt elated when she heard the good news about her promotion. Example 3, he was elated to meet his idol in person. Example 4, they were elated by the birth of their child. Syllables, elated. Stress, elated.
Synonym, exuberant. Meaning, filled with high energy, excitement, or enthusiasm. Example 1, the exuberant crowd cheered for their team. Example 2, she felt exuberant when she received a compliment on her work. Example 3, he was exuberant after completing the marathon. Example 4, they were exuberant about the new opportunities ahead. Syllables, exuberant. Stress, exuberant.
Synonym, glad. Meaning, feeling pleased, happy, or satisfied. Example 1, he was glad to be home after the long trip. Example 2, she was glad when the rain stopped. Example 3, they were glad to have helped a friend in need. Example 4, he was glad to see everyone enjoying the party. Syllables, glad. Stress, glad.
Synonym, gleeful. Meaning, filled with joy or happiness. Example 1, the children were gleeful when they saw the gifts under the tree. Example 2, she was gleeful after winning the competition. Example 3, they were gleeful as they watched the fireworks display. Example 4, he was gleeful when he received good news about his promotion. Syllables, gleeful. Stress, gleeful.
Synonym, jolly. Meaning, happy and cheerful, often in a lively way. Example 1, he was always jolly during the holiday season. Example 2, the jolly mood of the party made everyone feel welcome. Example 3, she gave a jolly laugh when she heard the joke. Example 4, they were jolly after completing their project successfully. Syllables, jolly. Stress, jolly.
Synonym, joyful. Meaning, feeling or showing great happiness or delight. Example 1, she felt joyful when she received the acceptance letter from her dream university. Example 2, the crowd was joyful as they celebrated the team's victory. Example 3, he was joyful when his best friend visited him after a long time. Example 4, they felt joyful on their wedding day. Syllables, joyful. Stress, joyful.
Synonym, merry. Meaning, cheerful and happy, especially at a festive time. Example 1, they had a merry time at the Christmas party. Example 2, the children were merry after opening their gifts. Example 3, she had a merry attitude, always looking on the bright side. Example 4, they were merry during the holiday season. Syllables, merry. Stress, merry.
Synonym, overjoyed. Meaning, extremely happy or delighted. Example 1, the parents were overjoyed to see their child perform on stage for the first time. Example 2, I was overjoyed when I reunited with my childhood friend after many years. Example 3, they were overjoyed to discover they were expecting twins. Example 4, she was overjoyed when her painting was accepted into the gallery. Syllables, overjoyed. Stress, overjoyed.
Synonym, pleased. Meaning, feeling happy or satisfied with something. Example 1, she was pleased with the results of her hard work. Example 2, they were pleased to hear that their project was successful. Example 3, he was pleased to help his neighbor with the chores. Example 4, she was pleased when she found her lost keys. Syllables, pleased. Stress, pleased.
Synonym, radiant. Meaning, showing great happiness, joy, or health. Example 1, her radiant smile lit up the entire room. Example 2, he looked radiant after receiving the good news. Example 3, they were radiant as they celebrated their wedding anniversary. Example 4, the bride looked radiant in her beautiful dress. Syllables, radiant. Stress, radiant.
Synonym, satisfied. Meaning, content, pleased, or happy with what has been achieved. Example 1, she was satisfied with the outcome of the meeting. Example 2, they were satisfied with their decision to go on vacation. Example 3, he was satisfied after finishing the challenging project. Example 4, she was satisfied to see her children happy and healthy. Syllables, satisfied. Stress, satisfied.
Synonym, thrilled. Meaning, extremely excited or happy about something. Example 1, she was thrilled to receive the news of her promotion. Example 2, they were thrilled when they got tickets to their favorite band's concert. Example 3, he was thrilled when his team won the championship. Example 4, she was thrilled to spend the holidays with her family. Syllables, thrilled. Stress, thrilled.
Synonym, vibrant. Meaning, full of energy and life. Example 1, the vibrant colors of the sunset made the sky look amazing. Example 2, she had a vibrant personality that made her popular among her peers. Example 3, the garden was filled with vibrant flowers in every color. Example 4, they had a vibrant celebration for their anniversary. Syllables, six-brand. Stress, six-brand.
Synonym, vivid. Meaning, strong, bright, and intense, often referring to emotions or feelings. Example 1, he had vivid memories of his childhood. Example 2, the colors in the painting were so vivid that they seemed alive. Example 3, the sunset was so vivid that it left everyone speechless. Example 4, she had vivid dreams of her adventures in the jungle. Syllables, vivid. Stress, vivid.
Congratulations! You did it! Thank you for staying with us till the end. You've just taken a meaningful step in learning something new today. Kudos to your curiosity and effort. Learning is a journey, and every small step adds to your growth. If you enjoyed this experience and believe knowledge grows best when shared, why not let others know about it? Together, we can inspire more to join this wonderful adventure of learning. We can't wait to see you again tomorrow for more exciting insights. Keep exploring, keep growing, and remember, you're doing amazing. As promised, here's your easy-to-follow tip to practice synonyms daily and supercharge your vocabulary. The 5-Minute Synonym Challenge. Every day, pick one common word, like happy, big, or good. Look up at least 3 synonyms for that word. For example, instead of a happy, use joyful, cheerful, or elated. Write one sentence for each synonym. This helps you understand the subtle differences in meaning and usage. Keep a small notebook or use a note-taking app to build your personal synonym library. Over time, you'll have a treasure trove of words to make your communication shine. Practice this for just 5 minutes a day, and you'll see big improvements in your English skills. Remember, little steps every day lead to great progress. Keep learning, and I'll see you in the next video. Did this video help you expand your vocabulary and master synonyms? Show your love by smashing the like button, sharing it with your friends who want to improve their English, and subscribing to our channel for more helpful and engaging content. Let's grow our vocabulary and communication skills together.